When I come into office, I'll declare a state of emergency on the educational sector. PDP Gubernatorial candidate Dr. Abdul-Azeez Olajide Adediran Jandor.
In health, I'll speak about the problem and I'll tell you what I'm doing differently without spending one kobo. First, policy that will change a lot of stuff. I don't know if you understand. And upon which you will say, okay, this one knows what it's doing.
Right.
I'll give you an education sector.
Okay, that's...
I'll speak about health sector and the problems that we have therein. And let me speak about the education sector. As we speak, we have about 2 million out-of-school children in Lagos.
Yeah.
When we come in, what I would do first is to declare a state of emergency on that sector of the economy. What do I need to do? I need to take my children off the streets. How? And you know that in one day, I can probably build the entire school that will accommodate them. I know in one day, I can put even the necessary infrastructure and learning aids, that will accommodate them. But I want to take them off the streets. So what I'm doing is I'm going into partnership with all the private. We have 5,000 registered private schools in Lagos. Even though we have 18,000 in all, but 5,000 is registered. Okay, I am going to take all these children and spread them across all these private schools. Give them uniform, give them learning aids in return for tax incentives or holiday for this schools. Say, you know what, just take them off the streets first, while I then focus on infrastructural renewal that will accommodate them, bring more teachers, and all of those things. The one already in public school, we have a policy that government will give them free school uniforms. Because I have experienced it before. Growing up, I wear a torn uniform to class, and my teacher would say, my friend, when you don't have no uniform, don't come back. So I'll go back home. My mom will say, okay, you know what, off. Or you carry market, follow here. Let me follow here. And they will count me out of school child. And you can come and say, where will you get money to do all of these things? I will remind you of a company that is legally right, but morally wrong in Lagos and taking over 9 billion naira from us every month.
What company is that?
All I need to do is to do what? Plow that money.
But which company is this one?
Where it's going to work for our people. You know now.
I don't.
Do you understand? Yes. So the money is there. All you need to do is just make it work for people. Right. Take it off this person's pocket and put it where it's going to work. Right. And this old uniform thing that I've told you about, it's just cost 24 billion naira in the fiscal year.
Right.
I'm telling you.
Right.
So how much is that?